I saw something very interesting in court a couple of days ago, and I would love to share because I believe it's something every one of us will learn from. So, it's a matrimonial matter. Apparently, the parties to this suit were ready to let go, and I believe both of them were ready to let go. However, there's a child in the marriage. The way I was looking at the girl that day in court, a bit elderly, maybe in her mid-teens. So this is the story that I really want to share. For some reasons, they were out of the courtroom, and I would not know what exactly triggered the confrontation between the respondent and the petitioner. And right there and then, they began to exchange words. Two things stood out for me while I watched that scenario in court that day. The first thing, counsel to the two parties, none of them were talking to their own party, meaning the counsel to the petitioner was not talking or calming down or consoling his client. The same thing for the respondent. However, the counsel to the respondent was calming the petitioner, while the counsel to the petitioner was consoling and calming down the respondent. That really stood out for me to really say that the legal profession is indeed a noble profession. And this is to say, to let people know that really not all lawyers want marriage to end or to be dissolved like we usually think. That day, as I watched the two counsels, they were able to calm down both parties. And that spoke volume for me. Get a lawyer that is interested in your matter, in your well-being. The second thing that stood out for me, even though to the negative, was that their daughter stood in between the groups, confused. It was obvious that she didn't know what to do. So this counsel is to parties that want to divorce, or maybe you have actually divorced, or you are planning to go on that route, or maybe you have begun to navigate that path. Anything you want to do, please ensure that the mental health of the children involved in this relationship is not tampered with. You need to ensure that while both parties walk away, the children's integrity, the children's emotion, the children's mental state is not torn apart. Selah.